Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So, today is going to be very exciting day because today I'm going Champawat for the workshop with my college group, and let me show what I'm wearing. I have to go near the cinema line because my home is quite far from the actual station. So it's gonna be a little journey before the actual journey starts. So, but anyways, I'm very excited. So let's go and see how the day turns out. Finally, we reached at the hotel.